Hello, I'm Chef Anupa, and since Diwali is around the corner, I'm going to share with you a simple, quick and tasty recipe. So let's begin and discover cooking with my special guest, Chef Sanjeev Kapoor. So today I'm going to make healthy chiwda. This recipe is easy to make and delicious as well. So let's begin. Alexa, open Sanjeev Kapoor recipes.
Welcome back to Sanjeev Kapoor Recipes.
Let's make something delicious with Sanjeev Kapoor recipes powered by Clove Chef. What would you like to prepare today?
Alexa, give me a recipe of healthy chiwda.
Here are the ingredients and recipe steps. Are you ready to start cooking?
Yes.
Okay, I'll read the directions one step at a time. At any time, you can ask me to move to the next step. Step 1. Heat oil in a non-stick pan. Add the mustard seeds and let it splutter. If at any time you need the quantity of an ingredient mentioned in the recipe, just ask me how much you need.
Alexa, next step.
Step 2. Crush garlic and add to the pan along with green chilies, curry leaves and saute till crisp.
Alexa, next step.
Step 3. Add the turmeric powder, mix well and saute for 15 seconds.
Alexa, next step please.
Step 4. Add the cornflakes, oats, brown pressed rice, flax seeds, chia seeds, pumpkin seeds, almonds and salt and mix well. Remove from heat and cool.
Amazing aroma of garlic and the curry leaves together. So well, I need to taste this right now. Believe me, it's so amazing. This Diwali, make the switch. Don't make the regular poha chiwda, but make this healthy chiwda. Alexa, next step please.
Step 5. The last step. Serve or store in an airtight container. Enjoy.
So today I really enjoyed cooking using the Sanjeev Kapoor skill on Alexa because checking the ingredients was easy and the step-by-step instructions were simple to follow and very helpful. Also, I did not have to use my messy hands to touch my phone or my tablet or even flip through the pages of a recipe book. It was so easy to refer to the recipe steps. It was also very convenient. I urge you to try the Sanjeev Kapoor skill on Alexa yourself and share what you like most about cooking with Alexa in the comment section below.